camp, I think that's how you say it. We arrived a little while ago now. They gave us some lunch, it was delicious. And now we're just chilling out for a little bit before we go on a game drive at about 4 o'clock. So the camp is like an open camp, it's got no walls on it, or fences or anything at all, so like any animals can just walk through at any point. So that's kind of exciting but a little bit scary. There's a lake right over there and it just looks amazing, it's so peaceful. So we've just arrived at our tent. The Maasai guy, I don't think you guys can see him, he just brought us here so that we yes, that none of the animals came, which is really weird to have to be escorted to your room. JP is currently hiding there. Africa. Anyway, I started this vlog to show you the tent because it is just incredible. We've got a solar panel fan, it's like candles and water and insect stuff, and then if I zip through here, this is the bathroom area, and then around here is an outdoor shower. Like, how brilliant is this? So we're on the deck of our tent and we've just spotted giraffes. Sat in bed, I've got my glass of wine, I've got my husband. It's pouring it down with rain, and this is pretty damn amazing for the 22nd of December. Good morning, it is like 6:20, we've just woken up. This is the amazing view, and we are getting ready to head off on our second day of game drives. I'm stood out here a bit tentatively because there's literally just been loads of monkeys running around and on the roof of the tent. In the night we woke up there, and just out here we were pretty sure we saw a hippo just like munching its way through the greenery. So yeah, that was pretty exciting to wake up to. But we're gonna head off for bush breakfast and a game drive.